So hello guys, what is up and welcome to another video. So in regards to my previous bubble transition that I made, you guys seem to really enjoy it, so I figured why not make another one. And also if you haven't checked out the bubble transition, I'll leave a link in the description below. So I just decided to make another one after receiving a few messages that many people wanted me to make a glitch type transition. So I managed to piece together something for you guys and it looks something like this.
Time won't keep us trapped, we'll climb those walls they built and find hope somewhere in the sky. There's a moment passing by.
I hope you guys enjoyed that little sequence there, and also to download that preset you'll find a link in the description below. So once you've downloaded it, just open up Premiere Pro and I'll show you guys how to use it, also how to apply it and ways to add the sound effect as well, because I've also included a free sound effect. I just want to put it out there just so that you guys know. So yeah, let's jump onto Premiere Pro and I'll show you guys how to use it. So once you've got it downloaded, let's jump onto Premiere Pro and I'll show you guys how to import it. Well, okay, so to import this preset, what you're going to want to do is click on presets and right click and hit import presets. Yeah, so you click on that file and here it is. So you click open. So once you've imported it, so just go on and search white chromatic effect. There it is. So you find it right here and it also tells you how many frames your adjustment layer is meant to be as well. So yeah, that's your little preset there. You'll find it in your effects tab under Ryan Vision's preset file. So the next step is how to add the effect. So for the sake of this video, I've got my two videos that I'm just going to add the transition to, just to transition between them. So let's chop that up a little bit just so that's a bit shorter. There we go. Well, okay then, so what you're going to want to do is go onto projects and click on new item and click on adjustment layer. Click OK. That's your adjustment layer, so just add it on top right here. So for the adjustment layer, the way it's going to work, so let me just make this a bit bigger. So for the adjustment layer, the way it's going to work is it's got to be 4 frames long. So we're just going to reduce it to 4 frames. Perfect, that looks about good. Well, depending on where you want the transition to be, it's supposed to be on the last 2 frames of your previous clip and the beginning 2 frames of your next clip. So the way it's going to work is, so that's where the split is. So we move 2 frames to the right, 1, 2, make that there. So that's 1, 2 there, and then so that's 2 frames there, and for the end of the clip, it's got to be in the last 2 frames. So 1, 2. Let's make that there. So that is 4 frames long, as I said. So we're going to go back onto effects and drag and drop that effect onto the adjustment layer, and it should look something like this. Let me just render this real quick just so that it looks pretty smooth and good. Yep, that's rendered. That's about right. So it should look something like this. So it looks pretty good. And you can also add a sound effect to it that I've included in the download file as well. So let's just add that real quick. So that's the sound effect. So just drag that and drop it right here. And just pretty much adjust it to the adjustment layer, and there we go. So it should look something like this. And you can also like pretty much just copy and paste this transition and just like add it throughout the clip if you wish, because why not, right? Should look something like this. Just, you know, if you want to add more effect or more emphasis to a certain part of the clip, it should like do something like this. Or I mean, you can even mute the sound effect as well, so it should do something like this. So I guess it's just going to depend on how you use it and apply it to your videos. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little sequence there and it's of some benefit for you guys. I feel like this transition has not been used yet, or this kind of glitch effect has not been made by many other creators. If you add this onto your videos, I'm sure it will look unique and it will definitely stand out. So if you guys like this preset, then please do let me know in the comments or shoot me a message like some people did before. And also, if there are any other presets, just let me know and I'll try and piece them together, and yeah, I'll be more than happy to make them. And also, I just wanted to thank everybody for the immense support in my previous video. It genuinely means a lot. I hope you guys can support me, and I'm also trying to give back to you guys by making content like this with like free presets, free sound effects, and I'll definitely be continuing to do so as long as you guys enjoy them. And also, if you guys like my kind of content, it would mean a lot if you guys can subscribe, share the video around, and hit that like button as well. So yeah, I'm just gonna wrap the video up now. I hope you guys enjoyed this little preset giveaway, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.